guys watched my last video, you know that I went on a bit of a shopping spree, and I did also go to Saint Laurent. It is literally one of my favorite brands. I think the style really resonates with me. Can't wait to show you guys what I got. Alright, moment of truth. I mean, I've already seen it, but unboxing with you guys. It comes in a very sleek box, like a shoe box, so not too big, can fit my luggage, won't have to toss it. Alright. And it's tissue papered in black. Ooh, Saint Laurent there, and she's a beauty. You guys, like, what? It's so impeccably made. This is the medium envelope in black with gold hardware. It does have gold chains in it. Inside compartment is also open, so you can fit a variety of different things. Just toss all your little trinkets in it. Just there's a piece of dust. Thank God it wasn't like scratched or anything. But yeah, you guys, it's beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear her everywhere. Hi everyone, so I'm back home and I wanted to give you an up close and personal of my Saint Laurent medium envelope, the Tri-Quilted in black. So this is it up close. It comes with 2 chains, and there are leather straps on here so it doesn't dig into your shoulder, and I really like that aspect about it. Again, with other bags, chain bags in particular, they do dig in and hurt. For this, you have the option of wearing it on your shoulder as such. However, you can also wear it as a crossbody. I personally wouldn't, because it does hang a little bit too low, and on your shoulder it looks more classy and more ladylike. So here it is on me for reference. And just opening it so you get a better picture. It is an open compartment. Here is a close-up of it. So it has the Saint Laurent imprint, and then there is one pocket. It is really tight, so I don't see what you could actually put in it. Maybe some credit cards, but I'm sure you all have a wallet, so maybe just receipts and such. But it is a pretty spacious open compartment, and it really fits everything I need for on a day-to-day basis. So I really love it. I've worn it plenty of times already. If you have this bag, let me know what your thoughts are of it, and if you're debating on whether or not to get it, let me know as well. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.